store and I saw this game called Battle Claw, and it's a 2-player game. So me and my dad, at the third video, are going to be playing with this and seeing how the game works. So you can see the little toys in there. Okay, I'm back. Now I'm gonna take this apart. Yeah! Yes. This is a very, very strong box. Holy cow! Go ahead and take it. So. Okay, I just got it out. So now it's time to pop the little figures out. Oh, okay, this is harder than I thought. Oh. Serious? Why do the scorpions get the most pack? Okay, who cares about that? I can just pull these out. Yeah. Okay, this is... I got the toys out, so now I'm going to show you them. This one's a little squid. This one's a scorpion, I already know that. Bomb spider? This is very confusing, I don't know that. Lion rhinoceros? I'm confused by these. These are weird creatures. Another scorpion. And a very, very weird looking snake. How could the world get weirder? And these are the little claw things. So the way to catch these, which are called gemlins, you have to do that. Throw it, pull it back. Not that hard though. Kind of sensitively. Okay, let me show you again. Okay. See, just like that. Oh, Scorpio. Here. Hey, where'd Scorpio go? And Octo. I was sleeping. I don't know anything. Me too. Me also. Let's go back to sleep. Yeah! Boom, 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 boom. No! Wait, I wanted both of you. I'm back. Come on. I need it. Yes. Put you into my game. I still ain't gotta stop this. I do not know how to. Either way, I'm going. Boop. Yeah. Uh-oh. Ow. No. I guess I gotta put a stop to this myself. Yeah. I thank you for watching. And also make sure to give this a like. See you later. Peace out.